Hello everyone. Welcome back with the with with additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Thursday, January the 14th, 2021, and the second Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku. This one will be number 2163. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I've already counted. I've mentioned before all these of all of these Sudokus with stars has 25 printed digits. Normally the 4-star Sudoku has one less, 24, but the publisher has published all of the Sudokus with 25 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. We see an 8 and a 1 in this column, an 8 and a 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the 8 and a 1 goes in these two boxes. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 9 is missing in this column. 3 and a 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. You see there, 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 7 in this row, 7 in the row above? So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be here. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 2 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7. We see here 2 and a 7 here, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one box left in this big square for the number 5. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. In one of those two boxes we have a 6. So we have a 6 in this column, a 6 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, only place for the 6 should be here. 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. One box left in the last column for the number 2. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8. This should be a 4. Two boxes left in this column for the numbers 6 and 3 we have 6 and 7. 6 and 7 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes. 6 and 7. How about, let me see. Yeah, 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so in the middle a row, the only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. So now we have two boxes left in this big square for the numbers. So 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. Two boxes left in the second row for the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. How about these two numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. 9 and 2, 9 and 2. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this can't be 2 anymore. This should be a 2. This should be a 7. Two boxes left in the middle column for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes, 6 and 9. How about those two boxes in the last row? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 8 are missing. 5 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. I cannot fill this yet, but we have a pair here. I see. 1, 2, 6. Alright. How about 5, 7, 3. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5. We have 3, 3. Okay. Not easy at all. How about the number? We have 3 missing numbers here in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 179, 179 in the third row. We see here 9 and a 7 in the third column. So no 9 and a 7 in this box. The 9 and a 7 goes in those two boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. So 1, 2, 6. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, and the 6. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. Look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this column, the third column. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and a 6 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. One digit left in this big square for number 2. Alright. 8, 5, 3. So now we have 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 3 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. And look, we have an 8 here, so no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. So the only place for the 8 should be there. So these two numbers we share for the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. One number left in this second row for the number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 5. This should be an 8. Alright, so we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, we see there an 8. So no 8 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Then 1, 2, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing in this column. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. Oh, we already have a 5 here. 5, 5, 5. Now we have a 7 there, so this can't be 7 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be a 6, and this should be a 9. 1 box left in this row for the number a 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be 9 anymore. This should be a 9, and this should be a 7. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 7 and 4. I believe no 4. We have 7 and 6 are missing. 7 and 6. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be a 6, and this should be a 1. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. How could that be with a 4 stars Sudoku? Is it really a 4 stars? No, I do not think so, because a really 4 stars Sudoku, a hard one, I need 30 minutes or more. But I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus. It will be a tectonic one and a binary one. So see you later. Bye bye for now.